Hey guys, Humans here and welcome to another video about building your own app business. We've already talked about how big the opportunity is, and we've talked about the $130 per day and why it's so easy for you to get. We talked about the different parts, which is standing between you and the $130 per day passive income through apps. In the previous videos, if you haven't watched them yet, you probably have got my email, so go back to your inbox, watch them so you get a better idea about what we're going to do and what we're trying to achieve in this video. In this particular video, I'm going to give you two awesome tips. Actually, we're going to get a little bit hands-on now, and the purpose of this video is for me to show you how easy it is to get into the app market. So by the end of this video, you would be able to see how people are making money from app market, Google Play or App Store or Windows Store, and I'll be showing you how easy it is to find a good market on Google Play and how simple it is to have your own app up and running in less than, basically it takes a couple of minutes to upload your app, and it takes maybe an hour or two for Google to publish your app on the store. So unlike Apple, there is no approval process. The process is very simple, which I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing we're going to look at is we're going to do a little bit market research. And this is very, very exciting stuff. This would really excite you, and the reason is that you would be able to see how much money people are making with apps. We can estimate, we can come up with an estimate, and second, to see how easy app submission process is. So this is basically the purpose of this video. We're going to tackle these two big things when it comes to building your app business. So let's get started. So now I have Google Play open on my screen. As you can see, Google just announced their smartwatch using the Android Wear operating system. Very exciting. I've already ordered one. As soon as I get it, I will be making a video about the kind of monetization opportunities via Google Wear. Android Wear, and how you can make money with it. We'll be talking a bit more about Android Wear and wearable computing later on, because I think you can make a lot of money from it, and especially because it's a new market, empty, completely empty, open to people who are willing to take the opportunity and basically monetize it. So let's do a search for some type of app which I have found to be very profitable, and those are TV apps. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in TV and do a search so we can see what apps are available in the TV market, like app TV market. In the app section, I'm just going to go and open it up. You can see that there are different types of TV apps available on the market. You can go ahead and install some of them, but we're going to just have a quick look and we're going to see what types of apps are available. This Malaysia TV one is the one that I have looked at before, so let's just click on it and use it as an example. You can see that already 3,600 people rated this app. Consider that 1 out of 100 people actually rates an app. So 1% of people who download the app would go ahead and rate the app. And that's the average number depending on the strategy that you get people to rate your app. And that's very important. Let's scroll down. One thing which is very cool about Google Play is that it gives you the number of installs here. So if I just go ahead and show you here, this app has got 100 to 500,000 installs. And that is very, very cool, and that's a very nice number. Based on my own experience, I can estimate that this guy, the owner of this app, is actually making something between 100 to 100 and maybe $20 to $30 per day. So you can see that with having only one app on the market, it's possible to get to that $130 kind of milestone that we have defined before. So that is very, very cool. This is just one app. And actually, let's go up and look at the app's quality. You can see that if I just zoom this a little bit, you would be able to see that this is a very, very simple app. It's got an action bar at the top, so that'd be the action bar. Very common for Android. Basically, any developer from any country can get that done. It's got the tab view, so you've got different tabs here for different sections. One of them is even useless. So this tab is completely useless here. This about, you can just get rid of it. Wouldn't affect anything. People would never go and click on it because it's just useless. And you've got basically the channel list here. So we call this a list view. You probably have used it a lot when it comes to apps. This is a list view. So you can see that when we break down the app and we talk about the elements, then it's more clear on we have a better idea on the app development and what is necessary to put this app together. Based on experience, and I have personally developed so many apps, and I have have many outsourcers developing apps for me. This app would not take more than a day, so 1 day max, for an average developer to build it. So just think about it for a second. You can hire an average developer, someone who has done enough apps, who can work with different APIs and different platform capabilities. If you don't know what these things mean, don't worry about them. You'll get future videos that I will be describing all that, so don't worry about that. But it's amazing that an app like this could be done, completely built in 1 or 2 days, 2 days max, so you can send feedback to your developer, to your outsourcer, and ask them to change something if you don't like. But you can see the possibility. It's insane. An app which takes a day or two to build is generating $100 or $120 per day for you. So you can see how excited I am about this possibility, about the opportunities available to us. And I want you to see this, and I want you to feel this. And next time that you're in the store, look at this number. Look at the number of downloads. Let's go to another one. Let's go to TV Live. See what's the number of download. Look at this number, 10,000 reviews. And if we actually scroll down, you would be able to see, there we go, 500,000 to 1 million downloads. So if we are going to do the math, then this guy is making $300 per day on average. So you can see that literally building an app business can replace your daily job. You can make a living on apps, as I do, as many of my students do, and it's an opportunity not to be missed. Trust me, the market is growing really fast. There are plenty of people out there who have seen this opportunity, and they're doing their best to get ahead in the game and build their own app business. So I just want you to see that the opportunity is there and you shouldn't miss out on it. So I hope I achieved that goal. Now you might ask how hard it is to publish your app on the store. So let's have a look at that. I've got this account. This is my personal account that I use for tutorials to show my students how I build apps and stuff. And sometimes when I come up with an app idea in my free time as a hobby, I publish some apps on it. So let me actually show you the the submission process. So when you open your Google Play developer account, you pay like $25 to Google, and basically they allow you to publish apps on Google Play. The submission process is pretty simple. First, that you have your app done, the outsourcer sends you a file. It's an APK file like this. The file has the extension of APK. Then you need to have an icon file, so that'd be your app icon, and you need at least 3 screenshots, 3 phone screenshots. So that's all you need. So basically that's all you need to put your app up there on the market. So let's get back to the developer console, you can see that we need to fill up this form. So this form basically has the title, description, then you can add your phone screenshots if you're building your app for a tablet, which I recommend. Then you upload your tablet screenshots, you upload your icon here, then you simply pick your app category, if it's an application or a game. Then you pick the kind of the applications category here, if it's a business app or an entertainment app. Then you can have the content rating for what age group it is available, and fill up the simple kind of website and contact details for the developer, and a privacy page, which is very simple to build. You just put it on your website. Next that you fill up this form, then you go and upload the APK file. So as I showed you, we have the APK file. You just press this button and drag and drop, or just browse the file, put the APK here, and that'd be your app package. Then you go to the price and distribution and make your app free or paid depending on your business model, and select all the countries so your app would be available, and basically check the content guidelines and US export laws. After that, when you scroll to the top, this part which says draft becomes published. So you can just go ahead and publish your app, and then you're done. Simple as that. So just think about it for a second. What is between you and the income we talked about? Hiring a developer to do the app for you as cheap as possible and as fast as possible, getting the package, going to the Google Developer Console and uploading the package and filling up the forms. So seriously, that's all standing between you and your app business. I want you to see that. I want you to feel that. So hope I achieved my goal to show you how simple it is to upload your own app to the App Store. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Let me know what do you think. I'll be sending out more of these videos in the next couple of days, so keep an eye on your email address and constantly check my YouTube channel for other types of videos, business videos, kind of technology videos and all that. And I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.